Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the avoidance, specific situations, triggers, and costs. Combine awareness with action, pick a single micro-commitment you can complete today and schedule it. You do this because small wins retrain habit loops and reduce overwhelm. Once scheduled, reduce friction, remove distractions, prepare materials, and tell one person for accountability. Make sure to treat the micro-commitment as a real appointment. That builds trust with yourself and starts momentum toward larger commitments. You scale up by repeating micro-commitments and adding structure. Create a brief daily log and review progress weekly. Once done, analyze obstacles and tighten boundaries. Decide what you will not accept that derails commitment. You practice precise language when promising things. This reduces vagueness and builds reliability. Make sure to reward completion and adjust difficulty gradually, because consistent, predictable success rewires your confidence and minimizes the urge to escape when pressure rises. You finalize by turning behavior into identity. Repeat concise affirmations tied to actions and lock commitments into routines. Once habits are stable, add meaningful stakes, an accountability partner, a written goal, or a visible deadline, which increases follow-through. If things go wrong, diagnose quickly. Look for unclear expectations, too big steps, or missing support. A key troubleshooting tip: when you stall, have the task and reattempt immediately, because momentum beats perfect planning and keeps your confidence intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.